Let's learn weekdays in Kannada. Welcome to Kannada weekday class. Week is Vara. Weeks are Varagalu. Sunday is Bhanuvara or Ravivara. Monday is Somavara. Tuesday is Mangalavara. Wednesday is Budhavara. Thursday is Guruvara. Friday is Shukravara. Saturday is Shanivara. Let's learn few examples. Sunday is holiday for us. ಭಾನುವಾರ ನಮಗೆ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. I have school on Monday. ನನಗೆ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಶಾಲೆ ಇದೆ. Today is Friday. ಇವತ್ತು ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ. Tomorrow is Saturday. ನಾಳೆ ಶನಿವಾರ.